Hi, today I want to give you a short review and a couple of close-ups of this small tripod that I just bought on Amazon. It's made by a company called Maciej, and as you can see, it's pretty small. You can fit it easily in your hand, but the best part of it is that it's flexible and you can mount it basically around any surface. In the package you receive the tripod. This is a cell phone holder and a remote control for your cell phone. The legs are very flexible, so you can rotate them and kind of mold them around any surface. As you can see, I was able to wrap those legs around my fence, and it is sturdy enough to hold my regular size camera. The legs are covered by some kind of a foam, and as you can see, you can just turn them, rotate them, fold them in any possible way. Now I was able to wrap the legs around the palm tree, and it holds it very nicely, has a nice grip, and it does really not move unless you really push it hard. So you can position it the way you want it, wrap it around any surface to get the perfect picture. You have a locking screw right here, so you can change the angle of your camera. With included holder, you can easily secure your cell phone on this tripod. As you can see, it's spring-loaded, so it's very easy fit. And then you can use it also with your smartphone, or of course, if you grab it, this could become your selfie stick. You can use it even in this vertical position, wrapped around the pole. It has very good grip, and there's a little notch right here which allows you to tilt the camera. So this also gives you better flexibility with positioning of your camera. And again, I put my bigger camera on this tripod. As you can see, connection is solid and it works great. So I have to say, I really like that. I needed another tripod that would be flexible, and that was a great choice. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.